We're coming back. All right.
Ready?
Mind your steps. Be careful. So on your right, you can see a giant pewter tankard which was constructed in 1985 in conjunction with our company's 100-year celebration. And after 2 years, it made it to the Guinness Book of Records for being the world's largest pewter tankard. So it has a capacity of about 2,800 liters, stands about 2 meters tall, and has a weight of about 1.5 tons. So after the tour, please remember to
Join us as we delve into the heart of Royal Selangor. Get ready to be amazed. Let's begin our exploration. Section 2. Royal Selangor. A legacy in pewter. The Royal Selangor Pewter Factory is an iconic landmark. Since its humble beginnings in 1885, Royal Selangor has grown into a global name. It is synonymous with quality pewter craftsmanship. The factory seamlessly blends traditional techniques with modern technology. This ensures that each pewter piece meets the highest standards. Today, we'll witness this unique blend of old and new. Let's step inside and begin our journey. Section 1. The Enduring Allure of Pewter. Pewter is an alloy, a mixture of metals. Its primary component is tin. Tin is combined with small amounts of other metals like copper, antimony, and bismuth. This unique blend gives pewter its distinctive qualities. Pewter is malleable, meaning it can be easily shaped and molded. It's also durable, able to withstand the test of time. These properties make pewter ideal for crafting a wide range of objects. Now let's journey through time and explore the historical significance of this remarkable metal. Section 2. Pewter through the ages. The use of pewter dates back millennia. Ancient civilizations in Egypt, Rome, and China all valued pewter for its practicality and aesthetic appeal. In medieval Europe, pewter was a common sight in households across different social classes. Pewter guilds flourished, with skilled artisans passing down their knowledge and techniques through generations. During the Renaissance, pewter experienced a surge in popularity. Pewter became a symbol of status and refinement, even gracing the tables of royalty. Its enduring appeal lies in its unique combination of beauty, durability, and versatility. As we step inside the Royal Selangor Pewter Factory, we see a fascinating contrast. Modern machinery hums alongside workshops where artisans practice age-old techniques. Royal Selangor embraces technology, utilizing cutting-edge machinery for certain production stages. This enhances efficiency and precision, ensuring consistent quality in their products. However, the soul of Royal Selangor lies in its commitment to tradition. They recognize that the human touch, the artisan's eye for detail, is irreplaceable. Walking through the factory floor feels like stepping through time. We witness a harmonious coexistence of past and present. One of the biggest challenges faced by Royal Selangor is the preservation of ancestral skills. In an era of mass production and automation, Finding and training skilled artisans is a constant endeavor. Royal Selangor has a dedicated apprenticeship program. This program passes on the knowledge and techniques of master craftsmen to a new generation. These apprenticeships are rigorous, demanding dedication and passion. The factory also invests in continuous training for its artisans. By nurturing talent and fostering a culture of mentorship, Royal Selangor safeguards the future of pewter making. The dedication to preserving these skills is evident in every corner of the factory. It's a living testament to the enduring power of tradition. In today's world, sustainability is paramount. Royal Selangor recognizes this responsibility. They are committed to minimizing their environmental impact. They do this by adopting sustainable practices throughout their operations. One key aspect is their dedication to using responsibly sourced pewter. They ensure that their raw materials come from ethical and environmentally conscious suppliers. Furthermore, Royal Selangor has implemented a robust recycling program within their factory. They carefully collect pewter scraps and excess material generated during the production process. These scraps are then meticulously recycled to create new products, minimizing waste. By choosing durable and recyclable materials like pewter, consumers can actively participate in promoting a more sustainable future. Our journey through the pewter making process begins in the heart of the factory, the foundry. Here, raw pewter ingots are transformed from solid metal into a molten state. The ingots are placed into large, crucible furnaces, heating the metal to temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Skilled workers carefully monitor the molten pewter, ensuring it reaches the optimal temperature for casting. Once the pewter has reached its molten state, it's ready for the next stage casting. The transformation from raw ingots to molten metal is the crucial first step in the pewter making process. With the molten pewter prepared, we move to the casting area. Here, artisans employ a range of techniques to shape the pewter. One of the most common methods is sand casting, a technique that has been used for centuries. For more complex designs, Royal Selangor employs centrifugal casting. In this method, a rubber mold containing the desired shape is spun at high speed. Molten pewter is poured into the spinning mold, creating highly detailed and intricate pieces. The skill of the artisans is evident in every piece, ensuring that each casting captures the essence of the design. Once the pewter has cooled and solidified, it's time to bring the designs to life. Skilled artisans, using a combination of traditional handcrafting techniques and modern tools, meticulously refine each piece. One of the most captivating aspects of pewter crafting is the art of engraving. Using specialized tools called burins, artisans carefully carve intricate patterns into the surface of the pewter. Hammering adds a unique tactile dimension to the pieces. Soldering allows for the creation of more complex and elaborate designs. The transformation from a cast piece of metal to a beautifully detailed work of art is a testament to the enduring legacy of pewter craftsmanship. Section 4. The final flourish. Polishing and finishing. The final stage of the pewter making process is all about enhancing the natural beauty of the metal. The first step in the finishing process is polishing. Using a series of progressively finer abrasives, artisans carefully remove any imperfections. Once the polishing is complete, the pewter pieces are ready for their final treatment, buffing. Using soft cloths and specialized buffing compounds, artisans gently buff the surface of the pewter. The transformation from a raw, cast piece of metal to a gleaming, polished work of art is now complete. The pewter pieces are ready to be admired and cherished for generations to come. Section 1. Meet the Master. A legacy in metal. In the heart of the Royal Selangor Pewter Factory, we encounter a true artisan, Master Lee. With decades of experience, Master Lee embodies the soul of pewter craftsmanship. His workbench, a testament to years of dedicated labor, is a testament to a testament that a bygone era. Master Lee's eyes, alight with passion and deep knowledge, follow every movement of his hands as he works. We are here to witness a demonstration of repoussé, an ancient metal working diosamong pasadiek sauna samo kindekin teledet konanaan kokititiki. As he begins his work, Master Lee's movements are deliberate, each strike of his hammer precise and controlled. Section 2. The Dance of the Hammer. Shaping tradition. Master Lee begins by carefully placing a thin sheet of pewter onto a bed of pitch. He then selects a hammer from his vast collection, each chosen specifically for its ability to create specific curves and indentations. With rhythmic precision, Master Lee begins to hammer the pewter. He works from the back of the sheet, using a series of carefully placed blows to gently coax the metal into the desired form. Each strike of the hammer is purposeful, creating a delicate interplay of light and shadow on the surface of the pewter. We are witnessing the dance of the hammer, a testament to the enduring power of human skill. As Master Lee continues to work, the pewter sheet begins to transform. What was once a flat, featureless surface now bears the intricate details of a delicate floral design, each petal, each leaf meticulously shaped by the patient and skilled hands of a master artisan. With every carefully placed blow of the hammer, Master Lee breathes life into the metal. He is not simply shaping metal, he is preserving a legacy. As he puts the finishing touches on his masterpiece, Master Lee explains that pewter crafting is more than just a job, it is a way of life. The legacy of Royal Selangor rests securely in the hands of artisans like Master Lee, individuals who dedicate their lives to preserving tradition and shaping the future of this timeless craft. As we conclude our journey through the Royal Selangor Pewter Factory, we are left with a profound sense of admiration. This isn't just a factory, it's a living museum, a testament to the enduring allure of pewter and the dedication of those who keep this ancient craft alive. Every step reflects a deep respect for tradition and an unwavering commitment to quality. The factory blends modern technology with age-old techniques, ensuring the legacy of pewter crafting continues to thrive. The Royal Selangor Pewter Factory's commitment to preserving traditional craftsmanship extends beyond its factory walls. They understand their role goes beyond producing exquisite pewter pieces. It's about safeguarding Malaysia's cultural heritage for generations to come. Their apprenticeship programs link the past and the future, ensuring skills and knowledge are passed on to new artisans. These programs teach technical skills and instill pride in carrying forward a legacy. Royal Selangor engages with the community through workshops, exhibits, and tours, offering a glimpse into pewter crafting and fostering appreciation for this art form. And there you have it, the Royal Selangor Pewter Factory. An incredible journey through time. We've witnessed the magic of turning raw pewter into exquisite works of art. Remember Master Lee and his dedication to his craft? A true inspiration. Royal Selangor shows us that tradition and modern techniques can thrive together. It's about preserving heritage while embracing innovation. Let me know in the comments what surprised you most about pewter making. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.